Lineysha from class 11 studying in Velammal Bodhi Campus, Anupanadi. I am specialized in rifle shooting. I started my journey in rifle shooting in the year 2021. I was inspired by my grandfather who served in the Indian Air Force. During my journey in 2022, I won 7 gold and 3 silver in state level rifle shooting competition held at Trichy. In 2023, I won 6 gold, 2 silver and 1 bronze at state level rifle shooting competition held at Madurai. In 2024, I won 6 gold, 2 silver and 1 bronze at state level rifle shooting competition held at Coimbatore. And now, as I have won the clusters on September 2024, I have been selected for the national level rifle shooting competition which is going to be held at Bhopal. Winning cluster championship was in TC. I faced numerous setbacks and injuries. However, the support from teachers and coaches at Velammal Bodhi Campus kept me motivated. My future goal is to be an Indian Army Medical Officer. So, I am pursuing NEET coaching in Velammal Bodhi Campus, Anupanadi. Once again, I thank my school, Velammal Bodhi Campus, Anupanadi, for molding me in both academics and sports, making me to stand in an impressive position to achieve my goals.